Yeah, hi, welcome. So in this video, we will see how VLOOKUP and EXLOOKUP functions work. So usually people think that these are very complex and very complicated to understand, right? So I made it easy for you guys. I will prepare a simple example in front of you and show you how these two work and how these two are different from one another, right? So after watching this video, I'm very sure that whenever the scenario comes in, right, you will definitely able to uh, use a VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP functionality in an easy manner. So let us prepare our data first. Okay, so I will take here. So guys, why I'm preparing data for you, right? See, you have to understand this scenario first, then only you will be able to apply VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP functionality for that data, right? So that is why I'm preparing the data in front of you guys. I am going to take employee in my scenario. I will take employee name Raj, Ravi, Sai, Sandhya, Geeta, and Peter. So here I will take salary. Let's put some simple smaller numbers: 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and I'll put something else in a sequence, right? We will put 800 here, and then again here 700, something like that. Okay, now here, right, I will take another column name as EMP, something like that. Okay, so I will take here, right, Ravi, some employees from here. Ravi is part of it, right? I'm taking Ravi, and we'll take one more person from here. Let us take Geeta, right? Okay, so for now, forget about the salary column. Look at the employee column F and the employee column I. Okay, here I'll put some more data which is not here in column F, something like Kumar, John, Sravya, Suma. Okay, I will take Geeta from here and put here, and I will put Surya here, some Surya here. Okay, now see guys, we are taking only two values from employee, right? This is just for an example I'm telling, and for your better understanding. You see, we'll look at compare this data manually. You may have hundreds and thousands of records in our Excel sheet. That's a different scenario. The concept is you have to understand this in a better way and apply whatever the scenario comes in, right? And whatever the data volume it is, forget about it. Okay, we have a Ravi here, and just manually compare, not a problem. Okay, you are going to understand the VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP in a better way. So Ravi we have, and then what else? And Geeta. Only Ravi and Geeta is there here, and all other columns are different. Soma is not here, John is not here, and Surya is not here, Kumar is not here, everything, right? Except this Ravi, and except this Geeta, all other are different, right? So guys, what I'm going to do here is compare. I'm taking another column now as compare. I am going to compare this column I, each value of column I with the entire column of column F. So if the value present in column F, right, so take the value and put it here. If the value is not present in column F, and put that as NA. That is what we are going to do it now. Listen, I'm going to explain one more time, right? So you are going to compare each row in column I with the entire column F, the particular value present, and display that value here. If not, display NA. So this is very common and very important and very frequently used scenario. We must understand this concept when we are working in a real-time environment as a data analyst or a business analyst or a developer for that matter. Your job is going to be very easy if you really understand this concept, right? So let me write a formula for this. Equal to, just observe what I'm going to do right now. We look up, you can press the tab, right? See, so after that, I am going to select the only one one row from the column I. Okay, so I2 is selected. So after that, you notice that lookup value. What is that lookup value you are going to provide here? Put the comma after I2. Lookup value is our Ravi, right? The first row of the column I. So this column we are going to compare with the entire column of F, right, where we have some more data. So in that case, put F is to F, the entire column. See, you notice that the entire column is selected, right? And I'm going to give one. One means what is that? Column index value. What is the column index among these two columns, right? In the selected data. So what is the column index? First column we are going to compare, right? So that is why I'm going to put a first column, column one, and then false. False means exact match. If it is exactly match, then only return, right? So I've closed the formula and then double click. You see, you notice that what it has done. So you take the first row of column I and compare with the entire column of column F. If the first value is Ravi, right? If the Ravi is present anywhere in column F, display that Ravi, else display NA. Let us click this, let us double click here, see what's gonna happen, right? So Ravi is already present, that is why it is coming here. So you notice that Gita is listed in column I and Gita is coming here, right? Ravi, Gita are present here. All other row names are different, right? So whatever the name is coming in column A, it is giving the same uh, column value, and if it is not present, it is giving NA. See, now you understood, guy. This is very, very important formula in data analysis and data validation. I hope you understand this in a better way. If not, you can again you watch this again and again until you become a master in this area, right? So now you understand the uh, VLOOKUP functionality. Let us see how XLOOKUP work and how XLOOKUP is different from that, right? Okay, so now you see this, right? So we have column F again, and now let's talk about the salary column also. We have a column F, employee names, and column G, a salary. Here we have a column I as an employee again, and forget about this column. I'm going to hide this for now, right? Let me hide it. Okay, here I'm going to take the salary. So look at here, what exactly I am going to do, I will explain. Okay, so I am going to compare the column I data with the column F for each row. I'm not going to do this manually, so with the formula we are going to do that. Just look at this data. You know that Ravi and Geeta are already presented, right? So you see Surya, Kumar, John, Suma. Do you have a salary for them? No, they are not present in the column F. We don't have any salary. But if we write our ex lookup formula, right, we are very clear that we are going to get the salary for only Ravi and Geeta. That is very clear, right? Okay, so let me show you how ex lookup function work in this scenario. Equal to ex lookup, the formula came, and then just press tab, so it will come like this. And what is the lookup value? So remember, guys, lookup values is always going to be a single value, right? First row value I have selected here. Okay, first value and then comma lookup array. So what is the lookup array? So notice that what is the difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP, right? So here for a lookup array we are going to select the entire column, entire array. So for that I select F column, right? Okay. So lookup array we have given, and what else is pending? And a return array. So what is the return array? Sorry. So what we are going to display here? Salary, right? So lookup array we already selected, and a return array we are going to select now again. G is to G, and close the bracket and press enter. So XLOOKUP is very simple and easy to understand compared to VLOOKUP. People think XLOOKUP is complicated. No, nothing like that. Okay, I'm going to press enter. You see, notice that what is the salary for Ravi? 300. So what we have to do? We have to double click here. You see NA. NA means what? It is not present. The particular name is not present in the column F, right? You notice that for Geeta, how much salary we got? Geeta salary, right? So guys, here we have only the seven rows, right? So you can do the same thing for thousands of records even. And it's not necessary that it should be in a single sheet. You can have it in a multiple sheets. You can do the same thing. Okay, just navigate to the appropriate sheet and do the same concept what I have explained here. Okay, I hope this video is useful to you guys. Just subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get the timely notification. We'll see in the next video. Thank you. Bye.